Hi folks, welcome to Campkins.com. Welcome to our 2019 massive inventory blowout sale. So if this trailer is a 2019, then it is going to be on wholesale pricing. So today we're going to focus on the Surveyor Legend 264 RKS. Always been a popular floor plan for Surveyor, very lightweight for towing, and as you can see, it's got some really great features. So here you've got a power tongue jack, you've got a place to tie the dog, you've got an awning that spans the full length of the trailer, including both doors. You've got a black tank flush for the outside of the sewer, tandem axle alloy wheels, and then over here you can see that you've got your entrance. It's a lower trailer, so it's easier to be able to pull this trailer. So you've got a kitchen in the back here with some great countertop space. You've got your storage cabinets above along with the microwave. You've got your glass top stove and a storage door underneath that along with your stainless steel fridge. Here you've got your nice sized dinette with the TV entertainment above and then storage cabinets across. It has a rounded ceiling, so although it's a shorter trailer, it feels quite spacious because of the extra ceiling space. You can see here you've got your jackknife sofa, which is built into the slide out, along with an armoire cabinet and then 4 drawers. Folks, this trailer weighs 4,700 pounds. A 29-foot trailer, 4,700 pounds, so easily towable by lighter weight trucks. You can see here you've got your neo-angle glass shower along with a vanity and cabinet and your foot flush toilet, and then into the bedroom where you are going to get a full-length 60 by 80 inch queen with storage underneath. It's got storage on both sides of the bed along with drawers, second door entrance, spot for the TV, and windows on both sides so you can get that nice cross breeze on a cool day. It's got ducted air conditioning through the roof, ducted heat through the floor. So if you're looking for a great towable, lightweight couples unit, this is the one for you. So this is our massive blowout sale. We have it on now. We've only got one 2019 Surveyor Legend 264 RKS available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. So come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.